If you want to download Chinese TikTok on your Android device, then today I will show you a method which is super fast and super easy. You can also download these videos without watermark or logo, just like I have on my phone. The process is very simple. First thing you need to do is go on to this address. You can write down or note down this and open your web browser and paste that here. Once you paste that link here, it will take you to their website. You can translate the page, scroll down, and then it will give you the option to download the app directly from this page, which you can do in simple steps. Very easy and straightforward process. There you go, download immediately. Click on download immediately and it will take you to the next page, which asks you to click on download. Click on download and it will download the app. Once the app is downloaded, you can go ahead and install that and open the app. The interface looks like this. So this is the first part. Let's download this video without the logo. Click on the arrow button and then you have to select or click this chain button. The next part is you need to download this app, which is called Douyin, a TikTok downloader from Play Store. Search for that and you should be able to find that. Once the app is opened, you need to go inside the home tab, and in this search area you need to paste that link. Once the link is pasted, the video download will start depending on the video size. So there we have in the gallery. If we go inside the gallery, there we have the video, and there's no logo as you can see on the screen. Just to add another bit, if you want to do some editing using CapCut, you can also do that, which will keep it 100% safe if you want to upload it to any other platform. So let's do that, and let's click on this video, and then you can add a little bit of effects. For example, effect from here, video effect. You can add anything from here. You can add the fade in and then play the video, stretch it to the end, and then export the video. This process took literally like 5 seconds, and obviously the whole process took literally 1 minute. So your video is now ready. You can see the transition and you're good to go. That's it for today's video, guys. Thumbs up, like, subscribe and share. Take care. Bye-bye.